Just a few hours after United States President Donald Trump announced a ceasefire between India and Pakistan, here in Srinagar at around 9 o'clock this evening, loud bangs were heard, massive explosions were heard in the city, all across the city of the Srinagar. And when we looked towards the sky from the main city of Srinagar, could see flares, and then we assume and we believe that there was a drone activity towards the some strategic locations of Srinagar. We are not revealing those locations, but there were clear air activity above those strategic locations, and there were explosions. The explosions were as a result of the security establishments anti-aircraft guns that were used to destroy apparent drones. There is no confirmation about what exactly was fired and who fired and from where it was fired, but this bombing in the air continued for almost 15 minutes intermittently, and we could clearly see red flames, the explosions we could hear, and we could observe what is happening above the skies of Srinagar. And this came just after hours after Trump announced a ceasefire, and the chief minister of J&K has also confirmed the explosions here in Srinagar. So after a pause of almost 5 to 7 minutes, we witnessed another set of explosions over Srinagar city, and there's a complete blackout across the city, and people are on their rooftops, and some are on the roads, looking towards a certain location in Srinagar where these explosions are, occurring, and we could see the apparent drone activity and the counter drone activity over the city. And right now, there's a panic in the city because it was expected that after the ceasefire was announced by the US between India and Pakistan, that the firing, the shelling, and the drone activity will stop. But certainly, it has not as we speak. The officials have also confirmed, and that we have eyewitness accounts of the recent activity that just created panic across the Srinagar street.